Seeing the no command error in Android recovery mode. This often happens due to a failed update or system glitch. In this video, we'll show you how to fix it step by step. Stay tuned. Part 1. Why is there no command on Android phone? Screen issue. Faulty or dirty touchscreen. Crash. System or app failure. Battery. Drained or full. Date. System instability. Hardware. Faulty parts or buttons. Damage. Water or impact. Data. Corrupted cache or system files. Part 2. How to fix no command Android phone 8 basic solutions. Fix 1. Enter recovery mode again. Power plus volume up. Power plus home plus volume up. Power plus volume down. Power plus home plus volume down. Fix 2. Wipe cache partition. Fix 3. Reinsert phone battery. Remove the back cover and take out the battery. Wait 2 minutes, then reinsert the battery. Turn your device back on. Fix 4. Hard reset your device. Enter recovery mode using the steps above. Use the volume down button to select wipe data or factory reset and press the power button. Confirm the prompt to start the reset. Once completed, your phone will reboot and you'll need to set it up again. Fix 5. Reinstall the custom recovery. Visit the TERP website to check for compatibility with your device. Unlock your bootloader. This may erase data, so back up first. Follow the instructions to install TERP. Fix 6. Force reboot your phone. Standard restart. Hold the power button for 10-20 seconds. Advanced restart. Hold power plus volume down or power plus volume up for 10-20 seconds. Fix 7. Update Android system. Part 3. How to fix no command error on Android efficiently. Advanced solution. Android Repair distinguishes itself as the most proficient solution for Android screen problems, providing comprehensive effectiveness. Step 1. Start by opening the software you have installed on your computer and proceed to the System Repair section found on the main interface. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable and choose Android Repair from the options displayed on the left. The program will present a list of Android issues it can address. Review the details and click on Start. Step 3. In the next window, input the specifications of your device and click Next to move to the following screen. Enter 00000 in the specified field and select Confirm to continue. Please be aware that this procedure may lead to the complete loss of all data on your device. For devices with a home button, power off your phone, then simultaneously press the Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press and hold the Volume Up button to enter download mode. For devices without a home button, turn off your phone, then press and hold the Bixby, Power, and Volume Down buttons for about 10 seconds before releasing them. Afterward, press the Volume Up button to access download mode. Step 4. Once your device is in download mode, click Next to begin the firmware download for your phone. After the download is finished, follow the on-screen instructions to resolve the no command issue on Android.